It is Tuesday, September 7th, 2010. My name's Des Woodruff. I am a mentor and analyst here at Grok Trade in the Markets. Did hit resistance and come right down. Wow, we are down over 3 digits here on the Dow, more than 1%, 1.15% on the S&P, a little less than that, but still over 1% on the NASDAQ. Russell's down more than 2% with a huge spike, gang. Big spike, almost a full 12% on the VIX volatility index with the fear indicator up, knocking at the door of 24, and a massive drop here on the bank. The bank really led things to the downside. We're down 2.6%. That does not bode well for what we're seeing here in the market. So let's be watching this pretty closely. What we're looking at here is the S&P daily per usual. And we have this big symmetrical triangle. And blow this up, as you'll remember off of the weekend edition, I said this is a good chance to see it to blast through that trend line, but it couldn't make it. We actually gapped down and then come crashing down, making a lower high and a lower low. And it looks like we're just about to fill that gap here from a couple days ago. But we are making a down leg. This is the beginnings of a down leg. So we have a confirmed pivot in place. And the question is, will we have any continuation to the downside? I think there's a high probability of that taking place. We also have a negative tick here on, it's so tiny, it's break even, but on the other ones you can see them better, but my filter is 5, 9, and 2. But we do have a negative tick starting here on the histogram. Where will we find support? Well, it's anybody's guess, but as far as the technicals are concerned, this 50-day moving average, the red one, and the 20-day moving average would certainly do it. But be looking for the 1080 area. 1080 area could be a definite area, but more specifically, the 1078 area is this swing low right here, and we're hung up there. So that 1078 is a biggie. And let me show you something here on the Dow. The Dow, we have what's called a tweezer top at the 20 or the 200 simple moving average, big red, and it's also called a bearish belt hold line is what we have. And on top of it, it's kind of a dark cloud cover also. So you have 3 reversal patterns, bearish reversal patterns in one, but we did close back down under the 100-day moving average. But from the weekend edition, you'll remember from that video, I had high hopes here for the Russells. The Russells actually poked its head up to tag that 200-day moving average. And I thought, wow, that could lead us to the north, breaking through here. No go on that. Lower high, lower low, big drop, more than filled the gap, and we're starting to find maybe a little support at the 50-day moving average. So but all this happened on really light volume today. So what I'm looking for is to see if we have continuation. If so, how much volume is going to be coming in with that. The financials being so weak today all day long, that tells me that we could see some follow through to the downside with some more volume. So let's just be watching that very closely. And anyway, I have the world's longest video going into great detail what the mentoring is all about. We have one in 3 weeks. And if you want to know all about that, go to meetthementors.com, meetthementors.com. and set aside 55 minutes. And we've had, over between Matador and myself, over 800 students, and looking forward to taking you in at our wing and helping you become more proficient and more productive trader. Take care. Safe trading.